We've got a huge problem with lantern bugs this year. Last year we only had a few, but this year it's hundreds and maybe thousands. Luckily, they seem to congregate in just a few areas. So we tried some insect sprays and dust, but that didn't work. So now we're going to vacuum them. If you want to try this too, we recommend a shop vac, some water, and some masking tape. See this bowl of water? Lantern bugs can't swim. So we're going to put about 1.5 inches of water in the bottom of our shop vac, and you don't need to add soap or anything else, just water. And you can see they're attracted to the water and already jumping in, but that's bad news for them. These bugs are curious, they check out everything, but then they'll destroy some of your favorite plants and trees. For some reason they love this old post, and they're spreading all over the porch. They're in the foliage too, but they're easy to vacuum off without hurting these leaves. Lantern bugs move so quickly because they're leaf hoppers, but we're just going to keep after them. And you can even use this if they get to the adult stage too. When you stop, tape up the hose with masking tape in case they try to get out. So let's see how many we've caught. It looks like there's a lot of them in this dirty water. And the great thing about the shop vac is it also can pick up the dirt, the leaves, everything without a lot of problem at all. You don't need a shop vac. You can also use a handheld vacuum and empty the bugs into a bucket of water, but the shop vac has good suction, we found, and they're not super expensive either. So we're glad there's something that we can do that doesn't mean using pesticides. So for now, we'll see you later.